The chairman of the Meghalaya State Planning Board, Medba Lyngdoh, on Monday said the board is committed to contribute for the welfare of the state. After chairing the first meeting of the board, Lyngdoh said that they were not here just because they are appointed as chairman or members of the board, but are here to contribute to the welfare of the state. Lyngdoh informed that the first meeting of the board was basically an introductory kind of a meeting, and the government is yet to issue necessary notification for appointment of other members of the board. He also said that they will have a review and they will meet the Chief Minister and discuss with him about the functioning of the board and how to make it more effective.
Just because we have been appointed as members, chairman of the board and members of the board, we are here to contribute to the welfare of the state. We are very committed, and I'm pleased to inform you that both the honorable members today who are the co-chairman of the board have, said that we are not here just to enjoy the perks and facilities of the government whom they have been appointed as the members of the board, but we are here to contribute, and we will ensure that we will do so.